What is trisomy 21 and why do we treat it? Well, if you're on this website, you already know what trisomy 21 is. You know that Down syndrome is a genetic abnormality where instead of having 2 copies of chromosome number 21, they have 3 copies of chromosome 21. On each chromosome, there are genes, and what genes do is give information to code for proteins and enzymes. The 3rd chromosome in Down syndrome is fully functional, and it's been verified that the Down syndrome critical region on chromosome 21, the extra copy of chromosome 21, is expressing. That means those extra genes are expressing and causing a very big impact on the biochemistry, structure, and function of a person who has trisomy 21. It's a very, very exciting time right now for people that have Down syndrome. The Genome Project has been completed. More and more information is coming out about the different genes and what they do and the different things that can influence those genes. On the page here, you will see more content about several of the most important genes that are overexpressing in Down syndrome and what you can do about it. The big takeaway piece is an extra chromosome means you have extra genes. Extra genes means you have extra proteins and enzymes that are causing big changes in the biochemistry. The good news is there are many things that we can do to hack or bioengineer those extra genes. We can do things that either downregulate the gene expression directly, or we can do things that upregulate other genes that then have an effect of downregulating the genes that are expressing. So there's a lot that we can do. We can use vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and phytochemicals, which are chemicals from plants, to directly impact the function of these genes. This is huge. This is a game changer. No longer will your child have to suffer cognitive decline, developing Alzheimer's plaques, and have many of the other things that we've always been told are a consequence of trisomy 21, and there's nothing that can be done about it. It's simply untrue. There's a lot of research, there's more and more research coming that proves otherwise. And we've got thousands of kids doing the TNI protocol that are living proof that this works. If your child had asthma or juvenile diabetes or some other disease, you would treat it. It's the same thing in trisomy 21. You just have to work with the people that know what they're doing. And here will be a good starting point for you to learn about TNI, targeted nutritional intervention, which is what we do to help the biochemistry of people with trisomy 21.